Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create questions and answer posts on WordPress using AI. Under the WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Ensure the campaign type is set to AI Articles. Search or add your desired keywords. On the article titles generation prompt, we will ask the model to generate questions. Make sure the keyword exists in the prompt. Also, ask the model not to return comments from his side. On the article generation prompt, we can ask AI to expand the question to get more context. This should be the question body. Here we can add the answer section. We can add the prompt that will answer the question. Ask the model to return the answer only. Make sure the prompt contains the title tag. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. The first question was added successfully. The post is perfect, except for the text added by the model. To remove this unwanted text, we can ask the model not to return it. In the prompt, ask the model not to return comments. Click the Update button. Click Run Now. A new question was added successfully. The question now no longer contains unwanted model comments. You can run the campaign as many times as you like. You can also set the campaign to run automatically. For example, it can add a new post every day. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.